Hi, in this figure, the two circles are tangent to each other and to the vertical line. We are going to find the area of the orange region enclosed by the two circles and the vertical line. Let's start by drawing the radius of each circle horizontally, like this. We label the four vertices A, B, C, and D. Point E is the point where the two circles touch. The quadrilateral A, B, C, and D is a trapezoid, and its area is denoted by a trapezoid. Look at these two green circular sectors. By subtracting the total area of the green circular sectors from the trapezoid area, we obtain the area of the orange region as shown here by A orange. To find the A trapezoid, we draw the line segment AH perpendicular to BC. The length of AH represents the height of the trapezoid. We need the length of this line to find a trapezoid. ABH is a right triangle. We write the Pythagorean theorem for the triangle. Since the length of BH is 2 and AB is 4, therefore the height of trapezoid AH is 2 square root of 3. The trapezoid area is defined as the average of its two parallel sides multiplied by its height. If we substitute the lengths of AD, BC, and AH here, we get the trapezoid area as 4 square root of 3. Now we need a green to subtract it from a trapezoid and find the area of the orange region. To find the green sectors, we need to find angle A and angle B. In the right triangle ABH, sine of angle A is sine BH to AB. BH is the opposite side and AB is the hypotenuse, which results 1 over 2. Since sine inverse 1 over 2 is 30 degrees, the angle A is 30 degrees. Similarly, angle B is 60 degrees. So the angle EAD is 120 degrees and angle EBC is 60 degrees. In general, the area of a sector like this with central angle theta is equal to the circle's area pi r squared multiplied by the ratio of theta in terms of degree to 360 degrees. We use this general formula to find the area of these two green sectors. Therefore, for the total area of the green sectors, we can write this expression. The first term corresponds to the green sector of the small circle, and the second term corresponds to the large circle. Therefore, the total area of the green sectors becomes 11 pi over 6. Now, if we subtract A green from the A trapezoid, the area of the orange region becomes 4 square root of 3 minus 11 pi over 6. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.